and all. In your previous lecture, you have done the third chapter of mathematics indices. Today, we will start the fourth chapter of mathematics altitude and median. Before starting the practice set 4.1, we will start the definition of altitude and definition of median. First of all, we will try to understand the meaning of altitude and median. First, altitude. Altitude means height. If you have any triangle, the height of the triangle is also called altitude. Altitude is making 90 degree. Altitude is making 90 degree. Altitude is a straight line of a triangle. Suppose you have a one triangle ABC. If we want to draw the altitude of this triangle, we will use the set square. Set square, you people are known the set square. This is called set square. How to adjust set square in our triangle? So student, uh, put up your set square on the base of triangle BC like this, and one line is a straight and passing through the point A. This is the method to set the set square on a triangle and draw the one line perpendicular on base BC. So this is the height also and altitude also. This is the height of triangle ABC and altitude also. Height is called altitude. In a mathematics language, we will call height as a altitude. This is one altitude of a triangle which is based on BC and passing through the A. If in one triangle we have three altitudes, at the most we will draw the three altitudes. This is the first altitude. If you want to draw the second altitude on through the point B, so we will set our set square like this and draw the one straight line perpendicular to the segment AC and making 90 degree. This is called the altitude also. In a one triangle, at the most we will draw the three altitude only. Altitude is making 90 degree. Here we will give the name Q. This is the second altitude. Now one altitude and last third altitude we will draw passing through the point C. We will set our set square like this and draw the one straight line perpendicular to segment AB. This is the third altitude, third height of the triangle. We will give this name as R. So student, this is the way to drawing the altitude in one triangle. In a one triangle, at the most you people will draw the three altitude only. Now point 3, the point of concurrence is called the orthocenter of the triangle. It is denoted by a letter O. Orthocenter. What is the meaning of orthocenter? If three altitude intersect each other at a certain point, it is called orthocenter. Orthocenter means three altitude or more than two altitude, the point of concurrence of these three altitude we will call the orthocenter, and orthocenter is always denoted by O. This is the concept of median array altitude. Come to the median. Suppose we have a one triangle. We will give the name of this triangle X, Y, Z. So student, we want to draw the median. Median means a line divided the triangle into two part. It is called median. Median straight नहीं होता है, altitude हमेशा straight होता है. Altitude is always be straight and making 90 degree. Median can't be straight, median slant होता है. So how to draw the median? First of all, if in a triangle at the most three median we can draw. How to draw the median? Suppose we have one base YZ. We will take our more than half of YZ. More than half of YZ. This is the way to drawing the median. I have to take YZ more than half, upper arc and lower arc. we can draw the upper arc and lower arc. Put on y, again upper arc and lower arc. We can get the 2 points. First of all, we will take a one base, take a more than half of that triangle, that base, and one time put on z, upper arc and lower arc, another time put on y, upper arc and lower arc. We will get the 2 point. Now join this 2 point. You know the perpendicular bisector. First of all, we will draw the perpendicular bisector. It is also called a perpendicular bisector. Now ये हमने बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ कर दिया. नाउ वी वांट टू ड्रॉ द मीडियन of this base. So first of all, we will give this perpendicular bisector point is A. Now point X and A we can join. So this is called a one median. XA is a one median of triangle XYZ. Hope you people can understood how to draw the median. Now second median we will draw. We will take the more than half of XZ. We will take the more than half of XZ. One time put on X, upper arc and lower arc. Upper arc and lower arc. Arc आपका कहीं पर भी आ सकता है. Now another time put on the another point, upper arc and lower arc. Now again we want we have 2 points. See student, दिस आर्क आर नॉट जॉइंट, तो वी विल एक्सटेंड द आर्क ऑल्सो. आपको बहुत से टाइम ऐसी आर्क मिलेगी जो एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करती है, तो यू कैन एक्सटेंड द आर्क. नाउ you people have 2 certain point. This 2 point you have. Now join this 2 point. Join this 2 point like this with scale. With scale you will draw this joint. Draw this line. Now again you people get this point. Give the name, give the certain name. I will put B. Now joint BY. This is the second median of a triangle. Joint BY. Hope you people can understood how to draw the medians. Now only one median are left. We will take the more than half of XY. Again we will take the more than half of XY. One time put on X, Y, one arc upper side and one arc lower side. Wherever you will get the arc, you just extend the arc and draw your bisector. Now another time put on Y, array X, and again one arc and other arc like this. अगर आपको आर्क के पॉइंट नहीं मिले तो आप आर्क को बड़ा कर सकते हो, एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो. नाउ यू पीपल गेट द 2 पॉइंट्स अपर एंड लोअर पॉइंट. नाउ joint these 2 points with each other. We'll put a scale on this point and draw a one perpendicular by X, Y like this. Now again you give this point as a ABC. Now joint CZ. Now joint CZ with the help of scale. So student, this is a way to draw the median. In one triangle we have at the most we will draw 3 median only. How to draw the median? First of all, draw the perpendicular bisector. Now draw the perpendicular bisector, and this bisector can help to draw the median. The point of concurrence. The point of concurrence centroid of a triangle. It is denoted by letter G. Point of concurrence in a median. If 3 median can concurrence in a certain point, this point we will call G only, and this point of concurrence is called centroid. एल्टीट्यूड के पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंस को हम ऑर्थोसेंटर बोलते हैं और मीडियन के पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंस बोलते हैं. Orthocenter can be all denoted by O always, and centroid can be denoted by G always. Hope you people can understood the concept of altitude and median. Now on the basis of this we can solve point 1.